how to enable or disable keyboard, preloaded and downloaded stickers on the Samsung Galaxy S24 series. First, tap on the home button to go back to the home screen. Then from the home screen, swipe down at the top. Then tap on the settings icon. Next, in the settings page, we then scroll down, and in here tap on General, Management. Then tap on Samsung keyboard settings. Next, we scroll down and tap on Suggest stickers while typing. Tap on the left hand side panel, and then we go down and tap on Preloaded and Downloaded stickers. Tap on the toggle button to turn on or switch off this feature. Once this is turned on, your keyboard should be able to use preloaded and downloaded stickers. And that's it. After that, tap on the home button to return back to the home screen. Thank you for watching this video. Please like and subscribe to my channel for more videos.